Hey everyone, I'm Ria and I'm from Jharkhand. So today in this video we are doing some shadowing practice. But before we start, let me tell you what shadowing is. Okay, so shadowing is a practice where we repeat after listening to a native speaker or a fluent speaker. So, shadowing basically means to copy someone's speaking style. So, if you think, why does my accent sound so robotic? What do I need to do to improve my accent, my pronunciation? Then, shadowing can be a really helpful method that can help you improve your pronunciation, listening skills, and most importantly, you will get to learn the natural flow of English. So for now, I will show you how I practice shadowing. I think for me,
it's
it's just being able to grow
and
and
change
change and allow myself to create something different every time. Like, I don't really want to get stuck in the cycle of trying to repeat the success of something that's already happened because it's happened. And it's easy to get stuck in that if something has been successful because then your mind's like, okay, now I have to replicate that thing. Okay, so that's how I practice shadowing. So I have already practiced shadowing with this video. That's why I was able to keep up with this native speaker. But there are some times when we do shadowing practice and we get stuck, so you can just pause the video and rewind it 10 seconds like this, and then again replay the video and practice. Anyways, let me tell you one thing, that when we do shadowing, we often try to speak fast like a native speaker. But shadowing doesn't mean that you have to speak fast like them, like the speaker, but just pay attention to the rhythm, stress, and intonation, and that's way you will get to learn the natural flow of English. And back then my accent wasn't like this at all. If you look back at my old videos, you will see that my accent would sound so robotic, and that's why I started doing shadowing practice. Even though I just started doing the shadowing practice, my accent would still sound a little bit robotic, but as I stayed consistent with the shadowing practice, it gradually started to improve, and I can say for sure that the accent and the way I speak today, it has improved by doing just shadowing. And I know that I still need to improve more. That's why I still practice shadowing, and I do it every day, and that's the result I have today, that my accent improved a lot. So if you haven't started practicing shadowing yet, doing shadowing yet, then please do shadowing, and your accent will definitely improve, and your listening skills as well. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked this video. If so, then let me know in the comments. Till then, take care. Bye.